Hello and very good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Manti. Once again, I am welcoming you all to do the discussion of our trigonometric chapter. Already, I have said you sine sine theta. It will be how much, cos theta how to find, tan how to find, then after cot how to find, sec how to find, and how to find out the cosec. So everything I have already derived that the sine it is the ratio of which sides, cos it is the ratio of which sides. Tan it is the ratio of which two sides, then after cot it is the ratio of which two sides, then after sec it is the ratio of which two sides, also the cosec it is the ratio of which two sides. So today the discussion it will be done basically on regarding how to find out the six trigonometric ratios for some of the specific angles. Previous one ratio done the discussion on regarding the acute angles only the acute angles. But today we will do the discussion on regarding few of our specific angles. Listen, few of the specific angle means in the discussion we will do the discussion of the 0 degree. So it means 6 trigonometric ratio we have to find out for 0 degree. Also 6 trigonometric ratio we have to find out for 30 degree. Also 6 trigonometric ratio we have to find out for 45 degree. 6 trigonometric ratio we have to find out for 60 degree. 6 trigonometric ratio we have to find out for 90 degree. So one will say that, sir, all these are not the acute angles. Actually this one it is the acute angles, this one it is the acute angle, and this one it is our acute angle. But this one it is the two additional one also we will do the discussion. So first we have to find out for 0. Thereafter we have to find for 90 degree. Thereafter we will try to find out for 30. Then after 60. Then after finally it will be our 45 degree. Understood? Then after the discussion of the 6 trigonometric ratios with respect to each of the angles, finally I will show you one of the table. That table you can remember the trigonometry ratios of all the angles easily. Now you just have to see the derivation of the 6 trigonometry ratio. Okay. See perfectly. Now the discussion it will be done on regarding whenever the theta it will be 0. See. This one it is one of the right angle triangle. The name of the right angle triangle it is our ABC, which is right angle at the point B. Okay, and see, so it means suppose we will consider this one it is the theta. So this angle it is our theta. Suppose theta means any of the angle measures. So for this theta, so it means this one it will be our P, this one it will be our B, and this one it will be our H. Why this one it will be our P? Because this one it is its opposite sides for the theta degree. So it means for theta this one it is its opposite side, and for theta this one it is its adjacent side. Opposite always P, adjacent it is always B, and the longest side it is also called as our hypotenuse. Otherwise the opposite sides of the 90 degree it is called as our hypotenuse. Okay to everyone? See. Now the angle it is our, see, now the angle it is our theta. Everyone see carefully. Whenever this angle I am reducing, everyone see. Now this angle I reduced. Previous theta is getting reduced to this much. Whenever theta it is getting reduced, one thing you just have to see. One thing you just have to observe from the figure. Whenever the theta it is getting reduced, at that time the length of the P also getting reduced. Understood? Angle theta it is also getting reduced. At the same time also this one it is also getting reduced. And whenever finally H is coincide with B, everyone see the important point. Whenever H it is coincide with B, at that time H is coincide with B, at that time theta it will be 0. Carefully listen the important point. Listen, whenever H shifted from here to here, whenever H it will be shifted from here to here, it means H and C, H and B both are same. whenever h it is coincide with b, at that time theta it will be our 0 degree. And whenever the theta it is equal to 0 degree, at that time p is getting reduced and finally becomes 0. Whenever theta it will be 0, h and p both coincide with one another, so there is no mark of the p. So for which our p it will be our 0. Only you have to remember these three important points so that we can find out the 6 trigonometric ratio with respect to our 0 degree very easily. See, so first one it is our sine. Everyone see, first one it is our sine 0. Sine 0 degree. Everyone see, sine it is our p by h. Okay, and here the p it is our 0 and h it is our non-zero number. H it is one of the non-zero and p it is our 0. So for which here result it will be our 0. So for which remember sine 0 degree it is our 0. Then after another one it is our cos 0 degree. Everyone see, cos 0 degree it is our b by h. Only remember p by h, which one it is our b by h, which one it is our p by b, which one it is our b by b. Then after we can find it easily. Okay. And see, B and H. Everyone see, here I have already said B and H both are same. As B and H both are same, for which the ratio becomes 1. Then after tan 0 degree. See, tan means it is our P divided by B. P means it is our 0 and B it is our non-zero. So for which the result it will be our 0. Ready? Then after cot 0 degree. Cot 0 degree, this one it is our p by b. It means these two are the reciprocal. It means p by b, it means b by p. Also one can write it directly. This one it is result is 0 means reciprocal means 1 by 0 which is undefined. One can write it directly also. B by p. So here it is b it is a non-zero number but p it is 0. So sum of the non-zero number divided by the 0. So the result it is always undefined. Result is always undefined. Thereafter cos and sec both are reciprocal of one another. Sec 0 degree. Remember this one it is our b by h. Directly 1 means reciprocal of 1 it is 1. Directly also I can write. Otherwise here I am showing with the ratio for b by h. This one it is our h divided by b. Ready? And h and b both are equal. As both are equal, for which the result it is 1. A ratio, otherwise the fraction in which both the numerator and the denominators are equal, for which this one it will be our result, it will be 1. Then after sine its reciprocal, it will be our cosec. See, cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree, this one it is our p by h, for which this one it will be our h by p. And h it is the non-zero number, but p it is the 0. So for which it is our undefined. Understood perfectly? So for which the important point you just have to remember, with respect to 0 degree, our cot it will be undefined and our cosec is also undefined. Question may come, which trigonometric ratios are undefined with respect to our 0 degree. With respect to 0 degree, our cot and cosec both remain undefined whenever we derive the formula. Understood perfectly? So now we will do the discussion on regarding whenever the theta it will be our 90 degree. With respect to our 90 degree, how to find out the 6 trigonometric ratios. Understood? See everyone, now we will do the discussion for the 6 trigonometric ratio whenever the angle it will be our 90 degree. It means with respect to our angle 90 degree, how to find out the 6 trigonometric ratio. We will do the derivation. Everyone see carefully. See, this one it is one of the right angle triangle. Suppose the name of the right angle triangle, it is our ABC and it is right angle and B. And suppose this angle it is our theta. So for this theta, angle theta, so it means front side means opposite side, it is our P. Adjacent side, it is our B. And this one it is the largest side, it is our H. See one thing, whenever this hypotenuse I am shifting from this point to this point. Everyone see carefully. Whenever I am shifting this one from here to here, whenever this hypotenuse I am shifting from here to here, one thing it is clear, our B it is getting reduced. Previously B it was this much, but whenever the angle it is increased, theta it is increased, it means it means our B it is getting reduced from this much to this much. And finally one thing you will see, whenever this H it is coincide with P, whenever this H, see now H coming close, now coming close, now coming close, whenever it is coming close, this angle from this angle to this angle it is increase, from this angle to this angle it is increase, and finally we are getting this angle it is 90 degree. Whenever H it is coincide with P, whenever H it is coincide with P, otherwise see whenever this one shifted from here to here, whenever once again this one it is shifted from here to here, shifted from here to here, so it means now the angle it is the theta it is changed it into 90 degree. It means the theta it is your 90 degree whenever H is coincide with P. Perfectly good. And at that time the B it will be reduced to reduced, and whenever it will be 90 degree, at that time the B it will be completely, it will be 0. B it will be completely 0. So remember these 3 points. By using these 3 points, the 6 trigonometric ratios we can find it easily. See carefully. See, first one it is sine 90 degree. Everyone knows sine 90 degree it is our P by H, and here it is P and H both are same. P and H both are same. So for which this one it is our 1. Easy or difficult? Then after see cos 90 degree, it is our B divided by H. Here it is B it is our 0 and H it is our non-zero, for which 0 by non-zero the answer it will be 0. Then after tan 90 degree, it is P divided by B, and here it is P it is our non-zero and B it is our 0. So for which result it will be undefined. Understood? Tan it is our undefined. Then after C cot 90 degree, whenever tan it is P by P, cot it is its reciprocal means B by P. B divided by P, and here it is B it is our 0, P it is non-zero, for which 0 divided by non-zero, result it will be 0. Understood? Then after cos its reciprocal, we have to find it as the sec 90 degree. See clearly, actually here it is seen, whenever the cos it is 90 degree, cos 90 degree it is our 0, it means sec it will be the reciprocal of the cos. Reciprocal of the 0 means it will be our undefined. But with the formula we are writing, here it is B by H means this one it will be our H by B, and here it is H it is our H it is our non-zero number, B it is our 0, for which it will be our undefined. Then after cosec, which is the reciprocal of cosec 90 degree, which is the reciprocal of our sine, and here it is sine it is 1, one can say it as the cosec 90 degree it is our 1. Otherwise with formula we will write H divided by P. Here H and P both are same, for which the result it is 1. And one of the important thing you just have to remember, with respect to our 0 degree, at that time cot and cosec were undefined. Question may come, which trigonometric ratios were undefined with respect to our 0 degree. At that time you have to say it as the cot 0 degree and cosec 0 degree both were undefined. And under 90 degree, here it is tan undefined, also here it is our sec it is also undefined. Perfectly good. Now we will do the discussion of the 6 trigonometric ratios derivation whenever the angle it will be 30 degree and whenever the angle it will be 60 degree. Okay? See carefully. Here I am drawing one of the figure of one of the equilateral triangle. Suppose the name of the triangle it is A, this one it is our B, and this one it is our C. This one it is the equilateral triangle, this one it is our A, Suppose this one it is our A and this one it is our A. Whenever I am drawing any of the perpendicular from any of the vertex, suppose I am selecting it as the from the A I am drawing the perpendicular, and everyone knows the perpendicular drawn in the equilateral triangle also it works as our median. Perpendicular also it works as the median in the equilateral triangle. Suppose the point it is D, it means this length it is same as this length. Understood? Now you just have to see in the equilateral triangle, it is A and this one it is total one it is A. It means this one it will be our A by 2. This one it is also A by 2, and everyone knows that this one it is the height, otherwise altitude it will be our root 3 divided by 2A. Altitude it is our root 3 divided by 2A. See carefully, one of the thing it is clearly seen. See, in the equilateral triangle, every angle it will be our 60 degree. This one it is our 60 degree. Also this angle it is our 60 degree. And here it is clearly seen that the altitude divides the two triangles it into two congruent triangles. Whenever the two triangles are congruent, it means this angle it is same as this angle. This angle 60, this angle 60, and this angle it is also 60. Whenever the perpendicular drawn, so it means this angle it is 30, this angle it is also 30. It means this one it also bisect the A angle also. Understood? See carefully. Now we will target only this triangle. Left side triangle, otherwise right side triangle, both having the same meaning. Either you just have to observe this triangle, otherwise you just have to observe this triangle. Name of the triangle it is, see, name of the triangle it is A, this one it is our D, this one it is our B, and this angle it is our 30 degree. This angle it is 30 degree, and here it is this one it is A, this one it is our A by 2, because the total one it is A, here it is A by 2, this one it is A by 2, and its height it is our root 3 divided by 2A. So for 30 degree, this one it is our P, this one it is our B, opposite sides P, adjacent side it is our B, and the longest side it is our H. So P, B and H, everything it is ready. So now our work it is, we just have to find out the 6 trigonometric ratios by putting the respective sides are there. See, first one it is sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree it is our P by H. Here P it is our A by 2 and H it is our A. A it will be cancelled, and finally you will get it as the 1 by 2. It means sin 30 degree it is our 1 by 2. Then next one it is our cos 30 degree. It is our B by H. B means root 3 by 2A. Root 3 divided by 2A divided by A, and A it will be cancelled, and finally you will get it as the root 3 divided by 2. Then after tan 30 degree, it is our P divided by B. P divided by B means A divided by 2 divided by root 3 divided by 2A. So which finally gives you, see, A it will be cancelled, 2 it will be cancelled, finally you will get it as the 1 divided by root 3. Clear up to this? See, then after sin, cos, tan we have already got. Then after easily I am getting, see, cot 30 degree, directly everyone see. Cot 30 degree it is the reciprocal of the tan 30 degree. So for which 1 by root 3, this one I am writing it as the root 3. How easy? How easy with the trick? See, cos 30 degree it is our root 3 by 2. So for which sec 30 degree it is our 2 divided by root 3. Because this one it is our root 3 by 2, cos it is our root 3 by 2, for which sec it will be our 2 divided by root 3. And here it is sin it is our 1 by 2, for which cosec it will be our cosec 30 degree, it will be our 2. Because this one it is our 1 by 2, for which this one it will be our 2. So your work it is, you just have to remember all of these things. After the discussion, I will give you one of the shortcut trick that you have to remember everything easily. Understood? The figure it is same. Everyone see carefully. From the same figure, whenever this one it is 30 degree, it means this one it is our 60 degree. Previous the discussion it was done with respect to our 30 degree. So now I want to do the discussion with respect to our 60 degree. So whenever I will consider for the 60 degree, it means for 60 degree this one it is our P, adjacent side it is our B, and this one it is our H. Got perfectly? So it means PBH it is our clear. So for which now we just have to start how to find out the sine 60 degree. See, sine 60 degree it is our P divided by H, and here the P it is our root 3 by 2a. Here it is P it is our root 3 divided by 2a, and H it is our a it is cancelled. The result it is our root 3 divided by 2. Next one it is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree formula it is our the ratio of the B divided by H, and here the B it is our a by 2, a divided by 2, and H it is our a. Whenever a it will be cancelled, you will get the result it is our 1 by 2. Then after tan 60 degree it is tan 60 degree it is our P divided by B. Here the P it is our root 3 divided by 2a, and B it is our a divided by 2. See, here it is a cancelled, 2 it will also be cancelled, and finally you will get it as the root 3. Tan 60 degree it is our root 3, and once you are getting sine cos tan, it means next of the three trigonometric ratio you can find it easily by taking its reciprocal. See, cos 60 degree it is the reciprocal of tan. So reciprocal of root 3 it will be our 1 by root 3. Cos 60 degree its reciprocal it will be our sec 60 degree. So its reciprocal it will be sec 60 degree. It means reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is our 2. And sine its reciprocal it will be our cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree it is the reciprocal of the sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree we got it as the root 3 by 2, for which its value it will be 2 divided by root 3. Ready? Perfectly understood? All the trigonometric ratio with respect to our angle 60 degree also understood. Previous one 30 degree how it was easy, also 60 degree also it is very easy. So derivation how we got from a single triangle construction understood easily. Now we will do the discussion how to find out the 6 trigonometric ratios with respect to our angle 45 degree. Understood? See, for the 45 degree regarding the trigonometry ratio, we have to consider one of the right angle isosceles triangle. See, it is the right angle triangle. The name of the triangle it is our ABC. It is one of the right angle triangle. Also, it is the isosceles triangle also. See, whenever it is the isosceles triangle, it means this side and this side both are same. And whenever this side both are same, it means this angle and this angle both are same. Because everyone knows the angle opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are always equal. So for which this one it is 90 means sum of these two it is 90, and as both are equal, for which each it will be our 45 degree. This one it will be 45 degree, also this one it is also our 45 degree. Suppose the equal sides A and this one it is your A. Whenever this one A, as per our Pythagoras theorem, this one it will be our root 2a. In the right angle isosceles triangle, always you have to remember the hypotenuse it will be our root 2a. Root 2a, otherwise root 2 into side. Suppose now I want to consider the trigonometric ratio with respect to this 45 degree. So for this 45 degree, this one it will be our P. This one it will be our B, and this one it will be our H. It means P, B, H all are clear. So it means no problem to find out the 6 trigonometric ratios now. See, so first trigonometry ratio, it means it will be our sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree, it is our P divided by H. Here the P it is equal to A and H it is our root 2A. A, it will be cancelled and my result it will be 1 by root 2. Sine 45 degree, it is our 1 by root 2. Next one it is cos 45 degree, it is our B divided by H. And here the B it is also same, it is our A divided by root 2A. Here it is also A cancelled and finally we will get it as the 1 by root 2. See, one of the thing it is see, so for 45 degree, sine and cos both having the same result. For the 45 degree, both sine and cos trigonometry ratio having the same result. It is also one of the question. So for which trigonometry, with respect to which angle, both sine and cos both having the same value. It will be your 45 degree. Then after, see, here it is tan 45 degree. Everyone knows tan it is the ratio of the sine divided by cos. Sine and cos both are same. Directly I can write it in 1. Otherwise, it is our P divided by B. So here it is P, it is our A, B it is your A. So in this way also you can find out the tan 45 degree, it is also 1. Once you are getting tan 45, it is your 1, it means cot 45, it is the reciprocal of the tan. 1, its reciprocal it is 1. And cos 45, its reciprocal it will be our sec 45 degree, which is our, here it is 1 by root 2, its reciprocal it will be root 2, and sine, its reciprocal it will be cosec 45 degree, which is also our 1 by root 2, reciprocal it is our root 2. So for which under 45 degree, sine cos both are same, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Here it is sec, it is root 2, and tan and cot both are having the value, it is 1. Understood perfectly? So now your work is you just have to remember all the trigonometric ratios value you have to try to remember. Okay, and in my next class I will show you how to remember all these trigonometric ratio for every angle. You can remember it easily in a single table. Everything I will show to you. Today the discussion is this much. In our next class we will do the discussion of the more things. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.